Hey everybody, we're at the Pilot Travel Center right there, refreshing drinks. You know, that's if you want something cold, but I still need mine. Coffee. Yeah. Pilot Travel Center right here. We got this coffee. Everybody in the house, Pilot Travel Center. Let's get this coffee made up there. Get in here a little bit. Pilot Travel Center in the house, everybody. Let me get this coffee made so we can get up out of here. Give it a little stir. Back here. Pilot coffee. Right there, everybody. I have to say, it's really good. Mastered to perfection, right here at Pilot Travel Center. Yes. Yes. Let me try this. Yep. I did a video yesterday, everybody, last night. If you want to go to my page and take a look at it, really appreciate it. My Christmas tree, and I had 10,000 people already like a couple of them. Till next time, come with me to Pilot Travel Center as we make our way around. Thanks. That's all you need to know.